Thinking about studying in Germany? Even if your grades aren't perfect, there are still ways to make your application shine. Welcome to Universitify. We've got 7 cool tips that most people don't know about. Before we jump in and see how to turn your application into a winner, I request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so you will be notified for every news of upcoming scholarships around the globe. Tip 1. Focus more on medium and small cities. Lots of people want to go to big cities. This means it can be harder to get accepted into universities there. But don't worry. There are amazing universities in medium and small cities too. They might have less competition, making it easier for you to get accepted. So, instead of just looking at big city schools, explore universities in smaller places as well. This way you'll have more options and a better chance of finding a great fit. Next to your grades, the most important part of your application might be your letter of motivation or statement of purpose. This is your chance to tell the university why you really want to study there. Believe it or not, we have seen many students with lower grades get accepted while others with high grades don't. A strong letter of motivation can make a big difference. What to include in your motivation letter? Why this program? Explain why you're excited about this specific program and what drew you to it. Why you? Share your relevant skills and experiences that make you a good fit for the program. Show you're awesome. Highlight your achievements to show the university you're a motivated student. Don't be afraid to ask a teacher, advisor, or older student to read it over and give you feedback. Remember, write in human language, not ChatGPT language. Be clear, honest, and enthusiastic. Tip 3. Apply early in universities. The earlier you apply, the sooner you'll receive your admissions decision. Based on this decision, you can make further decisions very wisely, like booking an embassy appointment. So if you have your IELTS result ready, don't wait. Start applying to universities as soon as possible. Tip 4. Apply to non-restricted courses. German universities offer 2 main types of programs, restricted and non-restricted. Restricted programs, also known as numerus clausus, have limited seats and prioritize applicants with strong academic records. Non-restricted programs, or FREI, have open enrollment, meaning anyone who meets the basic requirements will likely be admitted, even with a lower GPA. To find out if a program is restricted, check the university website or use Uni Assist for a quick and easy answer. Tip 5. Apply to a maximum number of universities. I know German universities charge fees to apply, but finding the perfect school or city is worth it. Try applying 8 to 10 universities to give yourself more choices. This is especially helpful if getting a visa appointment takes longer than expected. Some universities allow deferment, which means your admission will be valid for next semester too, so you won't have to apply again and you can join the university next semester. The more universities you consider, the better chance you have of finding a great fit in Germany. Tip 6. Do an internship or job. While most courses don't require prior experience, any professional experience you gain can significantly strengthen your application. If you have the opportunity, consider taking on an internship or entry-level job in your field. In your motivation letter, highlight the key responsibilities you held and the valuable skills or knowledge you acquired during your internship or job. This will demonstrate your initiative, commitment to the field, and the practical application of your theoretical knowledge. Tip 7. Score high in language exam, or IELTS. German universities are raising the bar for international students, with IELTS scores becoming a key factor. Scoring a 7 or above on the IELTS exam unlocks doors to nearly all universities, while a 6.0 keeps you competitive for a vast majority, 70–80%. The better your IELTS score, the more universities you can apply,